Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to make or receive a crucial business call, but you're away from your desk, your mobile phone is low on battery, and you just can't seem to download the app? Or maybe you're using a computer at a coffee shop or a shared workstation and you don't have the permissions to install new software. It's a frustrating scenario many of us have faced in the modern, hybrid work world. We've all grown accustomed to the idea that to use a specific service, we need its dedicated app. For a comprehensive business communications platform like RingCentral, which is known for its desktop and mobile apps, this can lead to a lot of questions. People often wonder if they're tethered to their phone or desktop app to access all their features. The big question, the one that's been floating around in the back of your mind, is this: can I use RingCentral without the app? And the short and very good answer is a resounding yes. Today, we're going to dive deep into this topic. We'll explore the various ways you can leverage the power of RingCentral without ever downloading a piece of software, looking at the web-based options, what features are available, and the scenarios where this is a game changer for your productivity and flexibility. So, let's start with the hero of this story, the RingCentral web app. RingCentral's web app is a full-featured, browser-based version of the desktop application. This isn't just a stripped-down, bare-bones tool for emergency calls. We're talking about a robust, comprehensive interface that provides access to the majority of RingCentral's core functionalities. You can log in from any major browser: Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, on any computer, and immediately access your communications hub. Think about what that means for a moment. You're at a client's office and need to send a quick business text from your company number. You can just open a browser window, log in, and send that text right there with your caller ID and all the proper business branding. No need to worry about using your personal number or a clunky workaround. The web app is a soft phone in your browser. This means you can make and receive calls directly through your computer's microphone and speakers or with a headset. The experience is seamless. The call quality is high definition, and you have access to your full contact list, call history, and voicemail. You can even use features like Call Flip, which lets you seamlessly transfer an ongoing call from your browser to your desk phone or personal mobile device with a single click. But it's not just about phone calls. The web app gives you access to a unified inbox for all your communications. Your business SMS messages, faxes, and voicemails are all there. You can send and receive texts, view voicemail transcriptions, and manage your faxes without ever leaving your browser. Now, let's talk about video meetings. In the past, joining a video call often meant a mad dash to download and install a new application, which could be a major barrier for external guests or clients. RingCentral has eliminated this pain point entirely. Anyone, whether they are a RingCentral user or not, can join a RingCentral video meeting directly from their web browser. This is a huge advantage for sales calls, client presentations, and quick check-ins with external partners. And here's the best part. The in-browser video experience is incredibly feature-rich. You can still share your screen, use a virtual whiteboard for real-time collaboration, and even enable live transcription powered by AI. Most of the advanced features available in the desktop app are also available right there in your web browser, ensuring a consistent and professional experience for everyone involved. This is a game changer for collaboration, removing the friction of app downloads and letting people get straight to the meeting. So, when would you want to use RingCentral without the app? The use cases are endless. Imagine you're a real estate agent using a computer at an open house, needing to make a call to a potential buyer without logging in with your personal account. Or a student accessing a virtual classroom from a library computer where they can't install new software. A remote employee traveling and using a public computer to check their voicemails and messages. In all these scenarios, the RingCentral web app is the key to staying connected and productive. There are also physical devices to consider. RingCentral is a cloud-based phone system, which means it works with a wide range of compatible desk phones. If you prefer the traditional feel of a physical phone on your desk, you can still have one. These devices connect directly to your internet network and are provisioned to your RingCentral account. You can make and receive calls just like you would with a traditional office phone, but with all the advanced features of a modern VoIP system. This is a fantastic option for receptionists, executives, or anyone who simply prefers a dedicated device for their calls. The beauty of RingCentral is the flexibility it offers. You can use a dedicated desk phone, the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web browser, and they are all synced. A call ringing on your desk phone will also ring on your web app and mobile app. You can answer on any device and even switch between the mid-call using the call flip feature. It's about providing a unified, seamless experience no matter where you are or what device you have in front of you. In summary, you absolutely can use RingCentral without the app. The web browser experience is not a fallback option. It's a powerful and fully featured alternative that offers a high degree of flexibility. Whether you're on a public computer, a shared device, or simply prefer to work from your browser, you can access your calls, messages, faxes, and video meetings with ease. This adaptability is what makes RingCentral a truly modern communications platform, built for the way we work today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.